Hello everyone, Jonesy here. This video is the start of a series to teach you how to code a website using React. I am making this series so that anyone can successfully learn to create websites, even someone that has never coded before. Once you finish this series, you will have a website that looks just like this. I'm going to focus on teaching by example. I could teach you all the intricate details of computer science, but I'm trying to minimize useless information. I want to show you exactly how you can create your own website without any prior coding experience. If I skim over some detail and you think I should have explained it better, just leave me a comment. Some topics I will create separate videos for outside of this series. But enough rambling, let's get started with getting this project started. The first thing you need to do is download npm for installing packages and running your server. My recommendation is that you install nvm, which is Node Version Manager. It makes installing and using npm so easy. If you like things to be easy, go check out my video for installing and using NVM. It is only 2 minutes long. After that, go download Visual Studio Code. You can use any IDE that you want, but I recommend Visual Studio Code because it is amazing and lightweight. The next step is to open the command line. Usually, I would just click right here, but since this is for beginners, you may not know where to find it. Simply type right here, cmd, and there it is. I like to create a directory to organize my projects, but you do not have to do that. Now that I am in the directory I would like to create my project in, I will do just that and create the project. Type npx create react app and then the name of your project, so I will use learn to code, and this will take some time. You may have noticed it said I was using an old version of Node.js and npm. With NVM, I can easily fix that by installing the latest version, which I already have. So I just need to list my versions installed and then tell it to use that version. Make sure you cd into your project directory, and then if you installed Visual Studio Code, type code period to open your project. It will show you the welcome screen, and you can just close it. Now, what we want to do is test that the default React app works. To give you an idea of what is going on, go to source directory and go to app.js. This is the topmost React component. This confused me when I just started, but it makes sense over time, I promise. Basically, this code you see here is the only thing that will be rendered on your website at the moment. To test that it actually works, go back to the command line and type npm start to start the local server. And there it is. It worked. Now, let's just test that we can make edits. Go back to app.js, type something in here, save it, and go back. It did indeed change, as you see here. Awesome. So you have created your first ever website. It's only available to you, and it's the default React app, but hey, that's a start. In the next video, we will start creating our first React component, a navigation bar. If you find any of this material useful, feel free to like and subscribe because it will help me to continue making more. See you next time.